What's going on, everybody? This is Gary from Dixie Overland, and in today's video I'm going to take you into Harbor Freight Tools and show you how you can build a Jeep off-road kit for approximately $100. So walk with me through the store here in Harbor Freight, and I'm going to show you some essential items that you need to pick up. Now look, I understand that Harbor Freight doesn't exactly have the highest quality tools, however they do have tools that can get the job done, and what we need in this case is something that can help us get off the trail, maybe make a quick fix, and honestly, not every one of their tools is cheaply made. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I'm going to show you is this 40-piece socket set that has both 3/8 and 1/4 inch. Even has a carrying case, and as you can see, for $5.99. Try to find that deal somewhere else. You're going to spend a lot more money. Coming in $19.99 is this 32-piece combination wrench set, both SAE and metric, and you get stubby wrenches as well in all of the common sizes you're going to need. Now, who doesn't need a bunch of screwdrivers, right? Screwdrivers have a ton of purposes. These are the comfort grip screwdrivers, and at $12.99, this is a great value. All right. You're going to be on the trail. Sometimes you're going to need to splice wires. Terminal connector assortment, 150 pieces, $5.99. That is not bad at all. And of course, you're going to need a wire stripper and crimpers. If you're going to do that at $6.99, this is definitely a good value for what you're going to get. All right, I'm going to spend a little bit more money here on these plier sets because they do have the comfort grip. We can all appreciate a little bit more comfort when we're using pliers. At $18.99, not a bad price for these 5 sets of pliers. If you're ever on the trail and you need to attach a hose, all right, we all need hose clamps. We all need these things in our tool bag. $6.49. You can't beat this kind of deal for the sizes. All right, while we're at it, let's go ahead and talk about getting some automotive fuses. 60-piece assortment here for $8.99. You can always use a hammer. Am I right? A hammer. $3.99. You're not going to beat that anywhere else that you go. All right, files. Sometimes a file can come in very handy, and in the 5-piece set that you get here for just a little bit under $8, very hard to beat. You all need zip ties. We all need zip ties, right? 100 zip ties here. Wait till you see the price. 99 cents. These things have 1,000 uses. Great to pick some up. I can't stress how important it is to have gloves, and while I wouldn't drag steel winch cable with these, they do have some great uses, and at $4.99, this is a heck of a bargain. Now you're going to need something to carry everything around in. This is a 16-inch tool bag, pretty durable. It can live in your back seat, and at the price of $14.99, this is going to round out our total list. So there you have it. For roughly $100, you can build a great toolkit for your Jeep that's going to get you out of some sticky situations both on and off the trail. If you like this video, go ahead and please hit the subscribe button, hit like, and share it if you found value. This is Gary from Dixie Overland, and we'll see y'all in the next video.